Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Curious about Spotify and want to start streaming music right away? Today, I'll show you how to download and install Spotify on your Android phone in seconds. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is where you can safely download apps like Spotify. Step 2. Search for Spotify. Tap the search bar at the top and type Spotify. Select the official Spotify app from the results. Step 3. Install the app. Tap the Install button to begin downloading Spotify. Wait a few moments while the app installs automatically. Make sure to subscribe now so you never miss quick practical tech hacks for your daily workflow. Step 4. Open Spotify app. Once installed, tap the Open button, or launch Spotify from your home screen anytime. Step 5. Sign up or log in. Tap Sign Up to create a new account quickly, or log in if you already have a Spotify account. Step 6. Start listening. Choose your favorite artists, songs, or playlists. Enjoy music streaming instantly on your device, and that's how you can install Spotify on Android. Subscribe for more simple and powerful tech tutorials.